Meaning of exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is a punctuation symbol, commonly used in written English to indicate strong emphasis, surprise, or excitement. It is often placed at the end of sentences or phrases to convey a strong emotion or tone. The exclamation mark is also sometimes used in informal writing to indicate sarcasm or irony. When used sparingly, exclamation marks can add emphasis and clarity to written communication. However, overuse can diminish their impact and make the writing appear unprofessional or overly emotional.